Hello everyone, today I'm going to start with a basic Spanish lesson, and I'm going to start with the basic phrases and some verbs that you should know. You start out, of course, just like any language. You're going to want to know your basic greetings, hello, hola, or you can say ¿qué tal?, which means like, how's it going? Also, you can say, you want to know how to say good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So good morning, buenos dias, good afternoon, buenas tardes, and good night, buenas noches. So that is going to be your greetings for the different times of the day. Then also, a phrase you'll frequently hear is ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? Or ¿Cuál es tu nombre? Which means the same thing. And then you would say Mi nombre es, my name is, or Me llamo, which means the same thing. My name is. And then another thing that you can say that's important to know in Spanish, as any language, is to know all the different colors, like rojo, red, azul, blue, verde, green, violeta, or morado, purple, marrón, which is brown, negro, black, blanco, white, anaranjado, orange, all basic things that are important when you are learning Spanish. And other things that are important to say are things like asking someone how they are doing. Just like in English, say, how are you? How's it going? You can say, like I said before, ¿qué tal? You can say, ¿cómo estás? ¿Tú? And that would be informal for someone who's your age or a family member, etc. With a formal person, you say, ¿Cómo está usted? There's no S after the A. So, say that as well. And another important thing to know for basic Spanish is your age. And first, you have to know all the numbers. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 1 through 20. And for your age, you would say, yo tengo, I have, however many years. For example, me, I'm 22, so I say tengo, or I can say yo tengo 22 años, 22 years old. So for today's video, that's going to be it. And there's certain concepts in Spanish. I'm also learning French now, but Spanish is my second language. And if there's any concepts that you'd like to learn, let me know, and I'll make videos.